Hi guys, how are you doing? Hope you are all doing fine. My name is Betty and I'm mom of 3 beautiful girls. And today guys, I want to do a thorough deep cleaning in my living area. And this is something that I have never done since we came into this house. So today it's the day that I want to do that. So I want to remove the carpet. As you can see, it have some stains. Remove the couch cover. Remove the pillow covers. So, and also I'm going to clean my curtain and my shears. So that is what I want to do guys today. So stay tuned, watch this video until the end, and thank you so much guys for the support that you have shown me in my previous video. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Feel most appreciated guys, because without you I couldn't be where I am right now. So yeah.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back.
So guys, in this video I used 2 phones, and this is the first phone that I'm using to shoot, because right now I'm using my phone. So, and I have another phone that I'm going to shoot the rest of this video. So this is the second phone. So guys, kindly advise me which phone should I use, because I'm really confused which one to use, because I don't know. Just advise me guys. Kindly don't forget to advise me on that.
The way we were living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going. I don't know at all. I don't know how we're growing. I'll be moving on.
Okay guys, I'm going to hard wash my couch covers, because right now we don't have a washing machine. Something crazy happened to our old machine, but I'm saving to buy a new one. Very soon I'll have a new washing machine. And to clean my covers, I'm going to use the Ariel colored jig and Downy. So those are the products that I'm going to use today. So yeah. last part of my couch, I'm going to use Astonish Carpet Care. Yes, it's for carpet, but most of the time I use it in my couch. I'm going to use the colored jig and also Magni shampoo. The mix works perfectly. So yeah.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I don't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
Part of the gypsum and chandelier, I'm going to use this dusty kitty that I got from China Square, and it works perfectly, so perfectly. guys, I want to spray my fake flower using this Green World Elite Essential Floral Fresh, which smells so nice. It's an air freshener and I love doing this. And also I'm going to use it to dust the pot, and I love the scent of this air freshener, guys. I love it.
Just to keep us alive. Now all I can see is we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark. Bring me the light, 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 bring me the Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You're stronger.